Just so everyone knows, there will be some amazing bloopers, some fantastic scenes, so make sure you don't depart to the bagging area early. Make sure you stay to watch the full video to find out some amazing new things. Oh my god. Guys, as you all know, when you don't upload for a long time on YouTube, YouTube will stop promoting your videos and you'll get like 1 view. So guys, I am now desperate for likes, and I'm also desperate for comments, desperate for everything basically. I'm just so desperate. So, you know, if you know anyone, you know, to fulfill my needs, you know, I'm here, you know, for you. What's going on in this video? Okay, we have already started this video really weird. You're probably, oh my god, no, okay, this video is getting too weird. Okay, I'm just gonna shut my mouth. So first off, here is the notification squad shout out of the video. I will always be giving 1 shout out to the first ever person to my video. So all you have to do is turn on my post notifications and be early to my video. I'll be selecting one of you in the first half an hour of uploading a video. So all you have to do is be early, leave a comment, and I will select one of you in the first 30 minutes. So make sure you're early to get an amazing shout out. Make sure if you amazing, fabulous family members enjoyed today's video to go back to my channel and watch my very simple, no glue, no borax slime tutorial. Once you watch that video, run out of your house screaming and you want to go pole dancing. And you'll be so energetic, just watch that video, you'll be so happy. P.S. All slimes on the screen are in my shop. Anyway, let's go back to the point. So I have to start a new giveaway because I love you all so much and I just have to give you prizes, okay? So here is the new giveaway. All you have to do to be entered is like this video, like it right now so you are entered automatically. Like that video, smack it, you know, beat it up. Then what you're going to do is hit the notification bell so you know when I upload and you can know if you've won the giveaway when I announce the giveaway. That makes sense? And then comment why you want to win. Basically, just comment, say, oh my god, I never touched slime in my life. I want to touch it finally. Then that's all you have to say. And then subscribe to my YouTube channel so I know you're part of the AF family, the amazing fabulous family members. And then all you have to do is share Facebook, Twitter, nonsense, whatever. Share it and then you're automatically entered. Make sure you do enter to receive this amazing new iPhone X10 whatever. So guys, if you want to see more of me when you finish with this video, all you have to do is go to the description down below and there's tons of links to tons of my social medias. So add me on every single one of them and then yeah, you'll see more of my annoying voice. Add me on my social medias and come join the party. Just before we begin today's video, guys, I'd really appreciate it if we could hit 500 likes on today's video. All you have to do is go down below and turn the grey thumbs up into a blue thumbs up. I know you're probably not stupid and already know that, but you know, some people don't know how to leave a thumbs up. Hello, where have you been living? Which rock you been living with? Patrick under the sea? No, so yeah. I am so sorry guys if I sound like a dead whale or a dead seal. I don't know what I sound like, but anyway, you will need some bath cream, okay? So run to your bathroom, steal your parents' bath cream and come back to your room. Run before your parents see you. Now what we're doing, I don't know, this is a voiceover, guys. My camera's foggy. What's going on here? Hello? What are you trying to do with my life? I'm ill, you know? Anyway, so what you're going to do now is grab a container that you found in the street and you're going to fill it up with your bath cream. I'm so sorry I sound dead. I don't know. Everyone was like, you can do it, you know. You can make the video. So I was like, okay, I am ill, but I will make the video. So guys, now to carry on with my dead, annoying voice. So now what we're going to be adding is some showered gel. Guys, please ignore my crusty nails. I was doing some ASMR, so, you know, just ignore the crustiness. Now to make this amazing rainbow texture color thing, I don't know anything, we're going to be adding little strips of bath gel. Now I know this isn't a strip, but I don't care. I went out of my own way to steal some bath gels with different colors from my mum's bathroom. So we have our different colors here, so I'm just going to use all of them, run back to my bathroom and put them back before my parents come and slap me, okay? So just take your trampy shampoos and then just put some strips, well attempt to do strips in the pot. So what you're gonna do now is just use individual I don't know. Oh, my head. Oh my god, I got a headache. Oh my god. Anyway, so what you're gonna do now, this must be the weirdest voiceover you've all ever heard in your lives. But anyway, so just carry on adding your bath gel into strips, okay? This is a no glue, no borax slime recipe, guys. I'm the only one that knows this, guys. No one else knows how to do this. So if you're about to steal my recipe, yeah, I'm gonna come for you. So let's not be stupid, GSHY DIY in particular. Let's not be childish and stupid. If you guys know the tea, then you'll know the tea. I will spill some tea later on, but I just can't be asked to deal with this person. Don't steal this recipe. I will destroy you, okay? I will find you. So before you want to come for my 2K views, shut your mouth. Let's carry on. So as you can see, we have our amazing rainbow here. So what I'm going to do now, just to make this look extra amazing, I'm going to go around. Oh my god, I am dying on voiceover. Anyway, so I'm going to go around the container trying to be ASMR as possible. So just go around the container, clean it up with your crooked finger, and then you should have this amazing rainbow texture. Now, I was so proud of my artwork over here. I brought it to my art teacher, and I was like, excuse me, miss, like, look at this. She was like, oh my god, A star, confirmed. And I was like, yes. So she gave me A star for this. But anyway, look how amazing this looks. Ignore my crooked nails. My mum chopped my nails the other day. She was like, oh my god. And I was like, oh my god, look what you've done. Oh my god. And we both just sat there saying oh my god for like 10 years. But anyway, as you can see, it's super glossy, super shiny, super amazing. Adjective, blah, 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 blah. Grammar, adjective, punctuation. Okay, there. So it's super amazing, guys. So yeah, now what you're gonna do, guys, chuck this in your freezer for about 10 or 20 minutes. Just because this is extra thick, guys, you do have to leave it longer. Yes, I know, I'm sorry. I know you're impatient, you're gonna die of boredom. But while you're freezing this, you can go eat some pasta, make a cup of tea, you know, boil some beans, you know, boil some eggs, have your breakfast, and then we'll be back when it's ready. Okay, so I just took this, I don't know, I am getting haunted by Shakespeare. This out of the freezer, and as you can see, guys, it's super clicky, guys, super thick. Now, guys, okay, before any of you go in the comments, oh my god, this is not real, oh my god, fake, oh my god, clickbait central. Like, honey, this is no clickbait, sweetie, okay? So before you say this is fake or clickbait, no, honey. As you can see, it's clearly real. There's no glue in this. Where did I put the glue? Come on, come to my house. You know, get adjectives. Adjectives, oh my god, I'm so ill. Bring the agents. Bring the, detectives. There is no glue, no borax in this, guys. I can assure you that. Anyway, so I'm going to take this out. It's super clicky, guys. But I was playing music in the background, so I can't show you the clicky noises. Otherwise, this will get caught as clickbait, and then I'll get thrown in prison. But anyway, so as you can see, guys, I took it out, put it on its side. It was super clicky. Oh my god, guys, I'm so ill. I don't know why I decided to do this voiceover, like I'm literally dead. But anyway, I'm gonna carry on, for the last 2 minutes or so. So I took my cheap pencil that I found on the floor, and I'm gonna start mixing it, guys, just to show you the amazing textures. This is so glossy. I mean, just look how amazing this is. It's super pokeable, and guys, this is also unbelievably actually really stretchy as well. Oh my god, I choked. Stretchy, oh my god. So it's super stretchy, guys, super spreadable, and I just love this. I'm so sad that I can't show you the noises. That's it. But yeah, so it's super stretchy, guys, and I just find that this slime is exactly like the slimes you buy in the shops. So yeah, so if you want to buy any amazing slimes, go to the links below, because I have my slime shop, Petitesy Slimes, okay? So purchase some slime from there. As you can see, guys, it's super stretchy, and it's just like a normal slime. This has no glue and no borax, so it's so simple to make, and I just love the final color of this. So make sure to go down below to the comments. Oh my god, down below to the comments. I swear I'm not on drugs. Go down to the description, click the links, go to my shop, buy some slime if you want, if you have any money. They're actually so cheap, so yeah. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all the business. And yeah, I really, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any suggestions you may have. I promise I'm not all the time like this. I promise I'm not all the time, acting like I'm on drugs. But yeah, so I am still very ill, guys. I'm actually in my bed right now. I have my hot water bottle. I actually have some, cup of tea next to me, herbs, some cinnamon, some sugar. So, I'm drinking it, and yeah, it makes me feel better. So yeah. So here's the end product, and yeah, super clicky, super thick. I'm actually so surprised by the turnout of this, guys. So make sure to follow this recipe accurately so you can actually work. Because if you don't follow this accurately, it won't work, and you'll just be sitting there like a mess, and you'll be like sending me hate non-stop. So yeah, I really guys hope you enjoyed, and make sure to share this, like it, whatever, do whatever you want to the video. I don't care. And yeah, so guys, I'll see you all in my next video. And yeah. I think I said that a billion times. And yeah. So bye, guys. Just before you guys go, there are going to be a little bit of bloopers at the end of this video. If you want to stick around, then you can. I'm not forcing you. There are no chains. So yeah, you can stick around for the rest of this video if you want to see some extras or extra bloopers, whatever you want to call them. And yeah, so enjoy the bloopers, but whatever. Troopers, I don't know. Enjoy this video ending thing. Bye, guys. Yes, queen, look at the camera. Oh, slay. Oh, yes, pose for the camera. Oh, yes, slay. Calvin Klein are quaking. These are just some of the slimes that I stock at my personal own shop, Petitzy Slimes. Make sure to go down below in the description to go to my website. I sell over 40 scented slimes, all different textures. So make sure to go to my website as soon as possible. And once again, once you go to my website and buy my slime, you'll go ball dancing. Tons and tons of sweets in every single purchase, so we can all become obese together. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this voiceover? I didn't even know. Okay, it's still recording. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Oh my god, my voice. My mother makes me mashed lemons on a Monday morning. Ooh, My mother makes me mashed lemons on a Monday morning. Ooh, Okay, this is like voice tuning. So, okay, yeah. Okay, I think my voice is tuned, so I can now do the voice.